quick reading for May the 19th to May the 20th. Hence, Gemini, your cards are the Eight of Swords, the Death card, and the Ten of Cups. Ito yung panunumbalik, pagbabalik, no? Ng isang taong lumayo sa'yo, malayo sa'yo, hindi nakipag-usap or talagang wala siyang plan of sabing reconciliation before. Magugulat ka na lang, parang etong taong to nagpapapansin na naman, etong taong to medyo nagpaparamdam na naman at parang masasabi mo, kala ko ba ayaw mo na? Kala ko ba ayaw mo sa akin? Kala ko ayaw mo yung connection natin. So, mali ang kanyang situation or ang kanyang decision making dahil eto na naman, pero this time medyo sure, no? Or sure siya sa ginagawa niya. This time, nafe-feel natin or mafe-feel natin yung sincerity, no, ng kanyang actions towards you. So this is your quick reading for May the 19th to May the 20th, Gemini.
My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me bye-bye.